In collaboration with cane growers, Primary Industries Education Foundation Australia, PIFA, has developed a suite of curriculum-aligned learning resources exploring Australia's sugarcane industry. This comprehensive suite includes the One Plant, Many Products student workbook for Years 5 to 8 students and the Growing Smarter, Exploring Australian Sugarcane Production 5-lesson unit with step-by-step lesson guides and accompanying student worksheets for Years 9 to 10. Together, these resources provide age-appropriate, engaging learning experiences that build students' understanding of the people, processes, and technologies behind Australia's sugarcane industry. In this webinar, we'll explore a snapshot of some of the key activities in each of the resources and the features of the teacher guides and student worksheets designed to support differentiation, engagement, and classroom implementation. To access the Year 5 to 8 student workbook, visit the PrimeZone website and use the search function to type any of the following keywords: cane, sugarcane, sugar, STEM, sustainability, supply chain, technology, innovation, careers, bagasse, and then select One Plant, Many Products from the search results. Users will then be taken to the resource landing page containing a summary of the student workbook and Australian curriculum alignment. The One Plant, Many Products student workbook allows learners to work at their own pace as they complete a range of engaging learning tasks exploring the paddock-to-packet journey of sugarcane and the various end products this diverse crop can be used to produce. Across a series of differentiated learning tasks, students investigate how sugarcane is grown, harvested and processed in Australia, how science, technology and innovation contribute to a more sustainable sugarcane industry, the diverse products and byproducts made from sugarcane, including sugar, ethanol, packaging and bioenergy, the range of careers that support the sugarcane industry, from growers and engineers to scientists and marketers. The workbook is suitable for students in Years 5 to 8 and integrates links to science, design and technologies, and geography learning areas from the Australian curriculum. Teachers can download a PDF answer booklet to support assessment and classroom implementation. Returning to the PrimeZone homepage, we'll now delve into the Growing Smarter, Exploring Australian Sugarcane Production learning sequence for Year 9 to 10 classrooms. To access the Year 9 to 10 resources, use the PrimeZone search function to type any of the following keywords: sugarcane, sugar, plant, crop, production, cane growers, soil, innovation, or biosecurity, then select Growing Smarter, Exploring Australian Sugarcane Production from the search results. Each of the 5 lessons in this unit is aligned with the Design and Technologies learning area from version 9 of the Australian curriculum and the New South Wales Agricultural Technology Year 7 to 10 syllabus. To access any of the 5 lessons in this learning sequence, scroll down the resource landing page and click on the applicable links to download a detailed teacher guide or accompanying student worksheets for the lessons. Each of the resource teacher guides contain curriculum content alignment, estimated activity timings for ease of classroom implementation, detailed resource and equipment lists to assist in planning and preparation, clear step-by-step instructions for the delivery of lesson activities, and answer sections to aid in the marking and assessment of student work. The first lesson, Introduction to the Australian Sugarcane Industry, provides students with an understanding of the economic, cultural and societal significance of Australian sugarcane industry, particularly in the major production areas of Queensland and northern New South Wales. Throughout this lesson, students will explore the people and processes involved in the supply chain of Australian sugarcane products. Through guided research, literacy activities, and design tasks, students will learn about the many value-added products produced from sugarcane and consider how these products contribute to the economic and environmental sustainability of the sector. The second lesson, Growing Sugarcane, explores the growth requirements of sugarcane crops, highlighting the on-farm processes involved in plant production. Students will observe, explain, and evaluate a range of management decisions implemented on sugarcane farms to improve the profitability, productivity, and sustainability of production. They will analyse temperature and germination data and use hands-on materials to create a model of a sugarcane crop as they develop an understanding of the impact of planting density on sugarcane growth. The next lesson in the Year 9-10 resource suite explores the importance of soil health in maintaining long-term farm sustainability. The rotational cropping and soil health in sugarcane production lesson allows students to investigate the importance of soil health and explore responsible soil management practices in sugarcane production. Students will investigate and analyse soil quality indicators and will evaluate current agricultural methods used by sugarcane growers to enhance the sustainability and productivity of their enterprises. Lesson 4, Sustainability in the Sugarcane Industry, highlights the considerations of sugarcane growers in sustainably producing crops for global preferred futures. Throughout this lesson, students will explore the sustainability challenges faced by Australia's sugarcane growers and develop an understanding of the ways that innovations in emerging technologies and management practices are supporting growers to improve the sustainability, productivity, profitability, and social responsibility of their enterprises. The final lesson in this unit, Pests and Diseases in Sugarcane, focuses on common pests and diseases impacting Australia's sugarcane industry. Students will investigate, explain, and evaluate recommended biosecurity management practices for sugarcane growers, focusing on managing biosecurity threats as they develop an understanding of the 6 sugarcane biosecurity zones in Australia. To complement the Year 9 to 10 lessons, the Sugarcane Supply Chain card game has been designed to provide students with a hands-on exploration of the paddock-to-packet supply chain of Australian sugar. Students work collaboratively to sequence the supply chain cards from farm to consumer, matching career and technology cards to the relevant stages of the supply chain. The printable card game and instructions can be downloaded from the Prime Zone website or via the hyperlink featured in the teacher guide of Lesson 1, Introduction to the Australian Sugarcane Industry. The One Plant Medi-Products student workbook and the Growing Smarter Exploring Australian Sugarcane Production lesson suite provide curriculum-aligned pathways for students to explore STEM, sustainability, innovation, and careers in Australia's sugarcane industry. To download these free resources, visit the Prime Zone website. To stay up to date with our latest food and fibre learning resources, register for PIFA's free monthly newsletter.